Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and attractive peace lily flower. So let's see how to make it. For that you will need to take wooden sticks and some cotton. Apply some glue on the wooden stick and stick some cotton on it. Make sure to make it completely stick on the wooden stick. Take some semolina and keep it on a flat bowl and dip the stick on the semolina. Spread it completely. Make sure you have applied some glue on the cotton before dipping in the semolina because it won't stick if there isn't any glue. Take any color paper and fold it in half and cut out the shape of a half leaf as shown. Now apply some glue on the stick and stick the petal to the wooden stick. A beautiful and attractive peace lily is ready. I hope this video was helpful for you in some way or the other. Do try it out and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.